Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Oh, look at the color. Nothing better than real sunshine. Okay, I was about to take some pictures of the cookie. I made some last night, actually made a lot of them. So I was thinking of taking some pictures under the sunshine, but they are all gone. I have sold them out. Oh, the this is a family recipe, and the person who made this from the person had not even tried it. Oh, oh, it's a pity. I sold them out. Maybe I should make some more. So good.